the team, and to all the members of the panel. Thank you very much for the opportunity to introduce myself and be interviewed for this on-the-job training or OJT opportunity. My name is Sean Angelo Mone Padrinao, and I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, majoring in Marketing Management with a specialization in Integrated Marketing Communications, or as an IMC. As a marketing student, I have developed an interest in advertising, branding, digital marketing, and creating effective communication strategies that helps the businesses to connect with their target audiences. I consider myself as a hardworking, responsible, and willing to learn person. I may not know everything yet, but I am always open to learning from experienced professionals, accepting feedback and improving my skills actual true work experience. I believe that OJT or on-the-job training will give me the opportunity to apply what I have learned in school while also developing my communication, teamwork, problem solving, and professional skills. One of my strengths is that I try to remain calm and confident when communicating with other people. I also believe that being able to work well with different personalities is important, especially in a team environment. At the same time, I recognize that I still have areas to improve, particularly in being more direct when expressing my ideas and learning how to effectively capture and maintain audiences' attention. If given the opportunity to become part of your team, I'm willing to learn, contribute, and take every task seriously. I hope to gain valuable experience from the people in this organization and at the same time contribute my knowledge, creativity, and skills as a marketing student. Once again, good morning to the head of the team and to all the members of the panel. I'm Shannon Julumon and Padrinao, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, and I'm ready to answer to your questions.